First, let's look at the shape and dimensions of the hat. This is the tip of the wedge. The tip of the wedge is inserted into the sleeving to separate the overlapping material. The cable insertion slot is here, along the top or opposite side of the wedge. This is where you insert the cable harness during the assembly. At the very top of the installation tool is something we call the shark fin, which is used to pull the tool through the sleeving. With the oval shape openings facing up, insert the hat's wedge tip into the sleeving. Then, weave the wire bundle through the insertion slot. Grasp the end of the wire harness and slowly but steadily pull the hat through the sleeving. The wire harness will be inserted into the sleeving as the hat progresses down the length of the sleeving. To create a branch out, follow the same steps as above, but as you approach the spot where you want the branch out to occur, stop, retrieve the wire to be branched out, and then continue pulling the hat through the sleeve. Notice that the branched out cable slides into one of the oval-shaped spaces created by the overlapping material. The entire assembly process takes much less time than spiral wrap or convoluted tubing with tape.